Welcome to DDevOps Academy, where future cloud engineers begin their journey. This course introduces you to Terraform, the powerful infrastructure as code tool used by professionals worldwide. Whether you're just starting out or leveling up your DevOps skills, our hands-on modules will guide you step by step. Terraform is a powerful infrastructure as code tool created by HashiCorp, now part of IBM. It lets you define cloud resources using a simple declarative language. At DevOps Academy, we break down its core principles: declarative syntax, resource graphs, execution plans, provider plugins, and state management. These concepts help automate and scale infrastructure with confidence. Infrastructure as Code, or IAC, transforms how we manage cloud environments. Instead of manual setups, we use machine-readable files, just like developers use code. At DDevOps Academy, we teach Terraform, the industry-standard IAC tool, with hands-on labs across AWS, Azure, GCP, and Kubernetes. Learn to plan, apply, and deploy infrastructure with confidence. Let's walk through the Terraform workflow. First, you write your infrastructure configuration, defining resources across cloud platforms. Then, you initialize your working directory with provider plugins and backend setup. Next, Terraform generates a plan showing exactly what changes it will make. Finally, you apply those changes, and Terraform provisions your infrastructure in the correct order. This workflow ensures clarity, control, and consistency in cloud deployments. Terraform's architecture is built for flexibility and scale. At its core, the CLI reads your configuration and loads providers, specialized plugins that translate your code into cloud API calls. Whether you're working with AWS, Azure, GCP, or Kubernetes, providers act as the bridge between your declarative HCL code and real infrastructure. This modular design keeps Terraform cloud-agnostic and developer-friendly. HCL, or HashiCorp Configuration Language, is the backbone of Terraform. It's clean, readable, and powerful. With variables, locals, and outputs, you can parameterize and simplify your infrastructure code. Add conditionals and loops like count and for underscore each, and you've got dynamic, reusable configurations, perfect for scaling cloud deployments. In Terraform, providers are the key to unlocking cloud automation. They act as plugins that connect your configuration to external systems like AWS, Azure, GCP, Kubernetes, and GitHub. Each provider exposes resources and data sources, and the Terraform Registry hosts thousands of them, making integration fast and flexible. With just a few lines of code, you can manage infrastructure across platforms with ease. In Terraform, modules are your reusable building blocks. They encapsulate resources, reduce duplication, and help standardize environments. At DevOps Academy, we teach you how to structure root and child modules, like network, compute, and database, so your infrastructure stays clean, scalable, and production-ready. Terraform's state file is the heartbeat of your infrastructure. It maps your configuration to real cloud resources, tracks changes, and enables updates. But it also stores sensitive data, so protecting it is critical. DDevOps Academy teaches you how to manage state securely and use it for drift detection and performance optimization. When working in teams, Terraform's remote state is essential. It stores infrastructure state in backends like S3, Azure Blob, or Terraform Cloud, enabling safe collaboration, locking, and encryption. DDevOps Academy also teaches GitOps workflows, code reviews, and policy enforcement. These practices ensure your infrastructure is versioned, secure, and team-ready. Terraform integrates seamlessly with CI/CD pipelines to automate cloud infrastructure. The pipeline runs FMT, validate and plan, then waits for manual approval before applying changes. This ensures safe, consistent deployments. At DDevOps Academy, we teach you how to automate VPCs, load balancers, IAM roles, and more, using GitOps and approval gates to protect production. Terraform isn't just for cloud infrastructure. It's a powerful tool for managing Kubernetes and DevOps platforms too. You can provision clusters like EKS, AKS, and GKE, and deploy add-ons using the Helm provider. Plus, Terraform automates tools like Prometheus, Grafana, Vault, and GitHub. It's your unified layer for infrastructure and tooling. Terraform isn't just for cloud infrastructure. It's a powerful tool for managing Kubernetes and DevOps platforms too. You can provision clusters like EKS, AKS, and GKE, and deploy add-ons using the Helm provider. Plus, Terraform automates tools like Prometheus, Grafana, Vault, and GitHub. It's your unified layer for infrastructure and tooling. Security and testing are non-negotiable in Terraform workflows. Use least privilege IAM roles, encrypt remote state, and scan your code with tools like tfsec and Checkov. For testing, run validate, plan, and automate checks with TerraTest. These practices ensure your infrastructure is secure, reliable, and production-ready. Thank you for joining us at DDevOps Academy. Terraform empowers teams to automate cloud infrastructure with precision and scale. Our hands-on training helps you master real-world deployments, building environments that are reliable, secure, and production-ready. Subscribe now and level up your DevOps journey.